Number 1.
OIVO VR headset. Comes with upgraded large mirror, 50% larger HD lenses, for a better experience. Accommodate different head shapes and sizes with adjustable headset. Say goodbye to cardboard material and the thin version. Comes with a heat dissipation hole and a loudspeaker hole. Brings you a special visual effects in VR mode. There will be many great games in the future that support VR.
Number 2.
Merge VR headset transports you anywhere. Go on virtual field trips, see life from new perspective. Made out of a comfortable and rugged foam, it's perfect for kids at home and in the classroom. Explore the world without leaving your room. Watch 360 videos that take you to the center of universe.
Number 3.
Turn your smartphone or mobile device into a powerful gaming machine with the BNext VR headset. Technology has given us exciting tools and revolutionary new advances in home enjoyment, but nothing rivals playing video games and watching movies in your very own VR world. Introducing the BNext Virtual Reality Headset, the next big thing in virtual gaming.
Number 4.
Venture into the next era of virtual reality with Vive Cosmos, a system designed to maximize simplicity, experience, and possibility. Enjoy accurate, inside-out tracking, right out of the box. No base stations required. Find your perfect fit with an adjustable head strap. Sharpen your focus. Snap back to reality with a flip-up display and removable on-ear headphones. Future-proof your Cosmos with next-generation faceplate mods, powerful wireless play.
Number 5.
Oculus Quest all-in-one VR gaming headset. No PC, no wires, no limits, built for virtual reality.
Reality? What the heck?
No, you what the heck, Michael? You used to be such a nice boy. Now look at you, running around starting fights with droids, experimenting with the Force. Where are you going?
Stop watching games and step into them.
Number 6.
VR Shineken VR headset comes with adjustable pupil and focal distance, multi-function button and adjustable volume, 3D adjustable hi-fi stereo headphone, 360-degree, ultra-wide realistic experience. Immersive 3D VR experience. Panoramic scene photos and videos. Enjoy your life from now on.
Number 7.
Atlasonics VR headset for iPhone and Android phones. Playing games and watching 360-degree movies in your own 3D world. Turn your smartphone into a powerful gaming machine.
Number 8.
Discover a new world of unexpected gaming experiences with PlayStation VR. Just plug the PlayStation VR headset and your PlayStation camera into your PlayStation 4 system. You're ready to go. Seamless visuals keep you connected to the virtual world through an expansive 5.7 inches OLED 1080p display, running at up to 120 frames per second. 3D audio with PlayStation VR means that you'll be able to pinpoint sounds above, below, and all around you. Instinctively turn your head to the source of a single footstep and be able to judge its distance, just as you would in real life. The LEDs around the PlayStation VR headset, on the DualShock 4 wireless controller, and the PlayStation Move motion controller are tracked by the PlayStation camera, providing an incredibly precise capture of your natural movement in virtual space.
Number 9.
Pimax VR headset, dual custom, low persistence, liquid crystal panels, each with a stunning total resolution of 5120 x 1440 that sets a new standards in quality and immerses you like no other device before. Say goodbye to the dreaded screen door effect, ghosting, and smear, as those effects are virtually invisible. 200 degrees diagonal FOV is the closest to human vision of any commercially available product. No more looking through binocular effect with this new VR headset, as you will notice immediately that enemies who could run away from the corner of your vision in a VR game cannot run away from you anymore. The Pimax 5K Plus delivers an unparalleled true-to-life virtual reality experience like no other. Thanks to Pimax compatibility technology, the Pimax 5K Plus headset supports most of the thousands of games and more available on both Steam and Oculus Home. Enjoy movies and internet video content like never before.
Number 10.
Introducing Photon-Tree 10, the head-mounted display with 800-inch screen, HDMI interface, compatible with smartphone, notebook, PC, Switch and PS4. Elegant design. Light as a feather, only 190 grams, provide the best immersive experience. The 800-inch theater screen with 90-degree view angle, wide color gamut. 3.5mm earphone interface, belong to your private theater. Replaceable mat. Watching movies and playing games. Easy to use. High-resolution displays with high-density pixels use it as second display with your desktop and notebook. 45-degree rotation design. You can watch whatever you want. Portable private theater. Just plug and play. Play games with friends. You can wear glasses to watch directly. Compatible stream. You can free control keyboard and second hearing angle. Photon-Tree 310.